The Tale of the Old Salt, Sailing into English Idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English idioms, focusing on a particularly interesting one: Old Salt. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday language. Let's set sail. Old salt is a colloquial term used to describe someone, usually an older person, who has a lot of experience and knowledge about the sea, especially regarding sailing or navy life. When you call someone an old salt, you're acknowledging their vast experience and wisdom about maritime matters. Imagine a seasoned sailor who has faced countless storms, navigated tricky waters, and can tell a sea tale or two. Why salt, you might ask? Well, the term is closely tied to the sea and sailing. Salt water makes up our oceans and seas, and sailors are constantly surrounded by it during their voyages. Moreover, salt has historically been used to preserve food, especially during long sea voyages. As such, a sailor who has spent many years at sea, encountering salt water and relying on salt-preserved foods, becomes intimately familiar with salt in many ways. Over time, the term old salt began to represent these seasoned sailors, with their deep knowledge and rich experiences. Let's see how we can incorporate this idiom into our everyday language. 1. My grandfather was an old salt. He used to tell me tales of his adventures at sea. 2. If you have any questions about sailing, ask Captain Jones. He's an old salt who knows the ropes. 3. You can trust her advice on this matter. She's an old salt when it comes to navigating these waters. Remember, while the term originated from maritime contexts, it can sometimes be used metaphorically in other scenarios to refer to someone with a lot of experience in a particular area. And there we have it. Now, whenever you hear the phrase, old salt, you'll think of those experienced souls who've braved the vastness of the sea and carry the wisdom of their adventures. We hope this video shed some light on this intriguing idiom. Till our next linguistic journey, keep exploring the depths of the English language. Safe voyages!